Alright, so I haven't recorded a video in a while, but I just figured I'd do this little crack me thing. Let me at you. Okay, I'm just not do that. Alright, basically, I'm gonna be doing this thing called the LSD trip crack me. You can just go to this link. I can't put it in the description, can I? But yeah, you can go to this link if you want to follow along. It's a portable executable file for Windows. I'm gonna be doing it on Linux. I'm just gonna be using Wine to run it. Architecture's x86 is a 32-bit program. I know you can download it. I've already downloaded it, and I have it in my terminal right here. Don't worry about this txt file. I was working on this a second ago to make sure everything was good to go. And I just figured I'd record this because I thought it was fun. I'm gonna remove this lsd trip.txt. We're gonna need this txt file in a second, but I'm gonna open it. So I'm gonna be using Ghidra for this. You can use whatever code browser / decompiler that you want. Do I already have it open? Oh, I do. Alright. I'm just gonna make a new project. A project / Ghidra. We'll just name this projects. We'll just name this crackmes. And go into the code browser. And then over here, I'll import a file. I'll import lsd trip.exe. And we'll analyze it real quick. Just do the default settings. Why the fuck is this thing so big? Oh, okay, it looks like it's a little bit too big. That's okay. Whatever, that doesn't matter, I don't think. Yeah, it's just giving us a little rundown. Okay. The entry. Is it still going over them? Why is my decompiler view just not here? No. How do you even open the decompile? Like, it's just always open for me. Window. Disassemble view. Okay, that's not what I want to look at. This is the function I want to be looking at, but I can't. I think it's like somewhere around here. It's like fucking preferences. No. Function, edit function, no. Am I retarded or something? Nope, that's not. Okay, there we go. I am retarded. Okay. Alright. Is this get main args? So yeah, this is our entry function right here. You can just look at it in decompiler view. It's pretty obvious what's going on. We can run this thing real quick with the wine. Well, it's gonna be a little bit weird just because some shit's going on in my thing. But just ignore that stuff. So password, I'm just gonna say black, whatever. Wrong, I think, going LSD. Okay, cool. So we look at the entry function, startup info, they assign it, assuming this is probably like a struct or something. And they're initializing it, and it's called, the variable is called local 14. Okay, char pointer to these things, so they're, I don't know, char arrays or some shit. And then we have local underscore 14 equals a function call to fun stands for function, and this is just its address in memory. So yeah, get main args. I don't think we need to worry about any of that. Pretty sure it's just this in here. Yeah, okay. So char pointer to a buffer, so it's gonna be a char array buffer size underscore t of the variables, so it's going to be like basically a long or an int. It's declaring two variables, int local 10, so I'm pretty sure this is really going to store, yeah, f gets underscore, so we can just rename this to, let's name this to user underscore input. So that's where our user underscore input would be stored at. Local C will be, what is this? Local C is initialized as 0. So it gets our user input, stores in, so it asks for user input, which is when like it says ho, put this shit in, and we stores it inside of user input, allocates memory for it. F gets user input, local underscore C is equal to 0. And then for local underscore 10 equals 0, user input. So the first char within that array, which would be 0, is not equal to a new line character. Is it new line character, or is that, what is backslash, is that a new feed character? I don't know, it's some fucking character. So until this is equal to null, oh, I think this is null. Okay, yeah, that's what I meant to say. This is null. So until this is equal to null, it'll do this for loop. And then this is just saying like I++, which you're probably used to if you code in C or Python or anything. But it's in its fucking decompiled view, so it looks all retarded. But this is just saying local underscore 10 plus equals 1. So it'd be like I++, right? And then local underscore C is equal to local underscore C. So local underscore C is equal to, so this would just be 0 plus the integer value of this char, which I can pull up the ASCII table real quick so you can see the integer values of the chars, times whatever local underscore 10 is plus 1. So luckily for us, I've already like assembled basically what this looks like a little bit simpler. So this is basically it. So local underscore C is equal to our user input of I, as long as it's not equal to this, and increments by 1. So, oh yeah, let me continue. And then down here we have, it takes the string length of our user underscore input, and it makes sure that it's equal to 5. And so if this is true, and this statement is true, then we complete the crackme. Else we'll printf wrong, I think, or an LSD. So what happened to us a second ago. So the string length has to be 5, and so I don't know if this is in every single language or all programming languages, but in ASCII there's this thing called a new feed character or a new line feed character. This thing right here, a new line character, that it's always going to be at the end of your line. So if you have a char array that you have 4 chars inside of it, there will always be there's going to be a 5th one, which would be your new line character or new line feed character. I don't fucking know, but it's this LF thing right here, and it has the decimal value of 10. So that'll be our 5th one, and then our 6th one will be a null. So it'll break out of this for loop and then go down here and check the string length. So, oh, we don't want to go in there. And yeah, so it'll make sure that our user input is 5. So we can just, so we have to make sure that we're putting in what would be 4 characters. So we can't put anything more than 4 characters. Not because of, no, let me change this. Because the last character is LF. And it has to be equal to 945 in decimal. So if we go here, we can change this to decimal. So 945. And basically we need to find out 4 characters plus the last character, which is this LF character, which is decimal of 10. With this fucking function, this for loop here, to make sure that we have the right combination of characters that allow us to pass this fucking thing, right? So I guess we can just go through here and fucking, so first thing would be, if we want to do, let's just do first character. We'll just say our first character when input is 2. Okay, so it'll be 50. So I'll do this. So I'll do 50. Okay, so the first line would be 0 plus 50 times 1 would be the first line. Or I guess would be times 0. Oh no, it is times 1 because it's 0 plus 1. So then we have here the next line would be 50 plus. We should probably do a greater number this time. We can just go 80. Fuck it. 80 times 2, which would be 160 plus 50, which would be the next line would be. Let's just pull my calculator out. Make sure I'm pretty sure this is 210. Well, I know it's 210, but 80 times 2 plus 50, so 210. 210 plus, let's do 50 again, times 3. So let's clear this. 50 times 3. Sorry, I'm getting used to this new calculator. So that would be 150 plus 210. 360. So we're going to need to make it to, let's check. So the new line character has to be 10. So, and that would be, so it'll be whatever this number is plus 10 times 5. So that'll automatically be 50. So we can just add 50 to this. Oh, fuck. Fuck me. Was it 360? 360 plus 50. And our total was 945, so we just do 945. Oh, fuck. What was that number? Is it 410, I'm pretty sure? Okay, let me make sure this is 150 plus 210 plus 50. So we need a 410 number. 410 plus something times 4. So what's our total? 945 minus 410. Just divide that by 4. Is that equate into 4? No, it doesn't. It goes into 13375. So we can change a number up here. Let's try to make this 48 instead. So 210 plus 48 times 3 plus 50. So 404. And then we can do 945 minus 404. 541 divided by 4. That's not gonna work. Wait. Okay. So 541. If we have 541, what do we need to get that to get a multiple of? Well, we just minus it by 3, and then we'll divide it only by 4. No, it won't. Okay, bro. What if minus it by 6? 7? This kind of smaller one's a little bit harder, actually. Hmm. 534. Minus by. Is that divisible by 4? Okay, that is divisible by 4. Was 131 even a no? Something number we can get. God damn it. So if I do some minus 4 again. 130, not a number we can get. Minus 12, 128. No. Let's just minus 24. So 125. We can do 125. So we're gonna need to take off. Let's add all these up together. We need to take off 41 from this. I can just take that from the first number. Yeah. So we can just do, so if we change this to 9, so that'd be 9, and then that would be 9 plus 80 times 2, 169. So then this would be 169 plus 48. So 169 plus 48 times 2, 265 plus 50. And then, so we have 315. So 945 minus 315. Wait, what the fuck just happened? Am I retarded or something? Like what just happened? Did I do something wrong there? No. 48 times 3 plus 169. Oh, I did. Okay. So 363. $945 minus 363. Why? Okay, I'm like, am I fucking retarded or something? Like, I don't know what's happening, man. Okay. Let me do what was the number I just had? Oh yeah, 945 minus 363 divided by 4. So 582 divided by 4. So we minus 24 from that, that'd be 16. Minus another 24. Okay, wait, I don't even know what the fuck I'm doing right now. Hold up. Okay, 945 minus 363. So we're gonna have this be our start number 582. We can just get rid of that line. Sorry. Okay, this is getting pretty sketchy here, to be honest. Okay, 582 minus 24 minus 24 minus 24 divided by 4. Okay. But we don't want to make it delete characters, so let's minus another 4 off there. Sure. So 504, that means we did 582 minus 504. Oh. So we need to add 78 to our first one. Okay, yeah, that's okay. So 9 plus 78. So that'd be 87. So return, this would be 87. Okay, let's recalculate this. So 87 times 1. Okay. 87 plus 80 times 2, 241. So 241 plus 48 times 3. 385. 385 plus 45. Or 50, I mean. Okay. Alright, so we have 435 now. 435 minus, or 945 minus 435 divided by 4. What the fuck, man? Like, what in the fuck? Okay. Okay, minus 2. Minus, okay, I'm gonna get a phone call. 1 second. Okay, never mind, it was a goddamn fucking Indian calling me. Alright, so 120, I mean, I don't really want to do 126. That would be a hyphen. I mean, I guess I could, fuck it. So 504, so we need to subtract 6. Or add 6, I mean. So 87 plus 6. Let's change this to 93. 93. Let's redo that, even though that it shouldn't be any different, but who fucking knows? A 253. Okay, 253 plus 48 times 3. Okay, plus 50. Okay, 447. It's looking a little bit more promising, but I'm pretty sure it's gonna be wrong for fuck knows what reason. It is. How in the fuck is that possible? Somebody please tell me what's happening. Plus 6. $93 minus 6. 87. Okay, let's retry that. That should change literally nothing. 87 plus, I mean, that'll make it so it works. Hope to God. 247, yes. 247 plus 48 times, oh God, times 3, 391 plus 50. Why does that, I don't know, whatever. 441. Okay, 945 minus 441. 504 divided by 4. 126. Okay. Holy shit. Alright. So that means 126 times 4 plus 441 equals 945. Okay. All right. So these are our numbers right here, boys. 87, 80, 48, 126. So let's go into the ask table. All right. I don't know why that took me so long, but so capital W, 80, capital P, 48, 0, and then 126. A goddamn hyphen. Alright. That should work, apparently. Let's fucking, I mean, I don't know if I trust myself, but let's fucking hope it works. WP0 hyphen. Good job, I'm fucking sober. Holy shit. Alright. Alright, that's how you do that, crackme. I know that was complete cancer, but appreciate you for watching. That was a fun one, I guess.